How to turn on and off auto color and adjustment on Android. This tutorial shows you how to control automatic color optimization directly from your camera settings. First, open the camera app on your Android device. After that, tap the menu icon at the bottom, the one that looks like four dots forming a square. From there, select Settings from the options that appear. At this point, scroll through and find the Intelligent Features section. In the next step, look for Scene Optimizer right under it and tap the toggle to turn it on or off. Finally, when turned on, Scene Optimizer automatically adjusts the color and contrast of your photos, making dark scenes look brighter, food look tastier, and landscapes look more vivid. Turn it off if you prefer your photos to look more natural without any automatic adjustments. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.